Assalamu alaikum. Today we will be analyzing Olympics dataset using Power BI. So let's get started. First, import our dataset. Mm, Select these two tables and transform data. Then we'll be doing data cleaning part here. First, what we're gonna doing is make the first row as header. And remove this column notes. Okay, then we'll be naming it to country. Okay, in this part we will remove some column that are unnecessary. Okay, then remove like height, weight, team. Okay, and games, because games is not important because exactly the same column named year and season is present here, so this is not much important. And remove uh, city is not that important. Event. Okay, that's it. Remove columns. Now let's merge country definitions tables to athletes events. We are gonna merge these tables using NOC, that means name of country column. Okay, let's merge them. From home and merge queries, then use country definition table, NOC, full outer, then click OK. Okay, now we are gonna expand this column, and since we get the country name here, so we don't need anymore the NOC or name of country, this short form column. Okay, okay, so delete them. Okay, deleted. Then rename this column as country. Then okay, here sex column, change it to gender for better visualization purpose, and male to M to male, replace values, change M to male and F to female. Okay, then we'll work on redundant data. No, what we are gonna doing is we are looking for null values, because null values makes problem in visualizations. So if we find any null value, we'll remove them. Okay, I think for now the dataset is ready. So here is, we can unselect this null and click OK. Okay, name this table as Olympics final. Okay, then click to close and apply. To apply the changes into our working field, we have to wait few seconds since the dataset is very large. Okay, it's complete. Now let's begin our visualization works. Now uh, first we are going to see the uh, uh, distributions of medals by gender. Okay, first of all we're gonna see distributions of medals by gender. Okay, for this we selected a pie chart. Let's focus, go into the focus mode and grab the this gender to legend field and medal to values field. Okay, it's perfect. Now let's change the color slices. This change this color to, I wanna choose bronze to for male and gold for female. Okay, okay. Then give a title to this visualization. I will give distribution of medals by gender. Okay. Hmm. One thing, for better visualization purpose, I will change the position of this legend to top position uh, by clicking on data levels. Legend, center right to top center. Okay, okay. And if we want, we can um, reset the position of data levels to from outside to inside. Okay, and change the colors by white. Okay, it's all up to you guys. It's different people have different choice, so I leave up to you. Okay, now let's work for our next visualization. Next, we are going to show the countries by medal. Okay, for this purpose, we'll select a matrix where countries will be in rows and medals will be in column field. Okay, okay. mm, okay, and we want to show the count of medals, so we select medals as values and select here from like unselect negative, sorry, not available and blank. Then values will be count. Let's change to and country, we wanna show top 10 countries, so top n equal 10 by top 10 countries by medal, count of medals. Okay, apply changes. Okay, now I want to sort the data by count of medals. Okay, then format this visual. mm, I can turn on the vertical and horizontal grid line, and the color is black with the increasing width, and color is black and increase one with. I want to change the border color to black. Okay, and width to 2. Okay, and further I want to apply conditional formatting. So for this I need to go to cell elements, and here data bars on, and the color I want to change the color to like to gold. Okay. Okay. Okay, that's all. uh, I think we should increase the letter or the matrix size of the matrix. Okay, so let's work for that. mm, Go to visual and grid line. No, I think values. Yeah, yeah, values. Increase the size by no, not that higher. 12. Okay, 12 is fine, I think. Okay. Okay, 12. Okay. Okay, then our next task is uh, to show the distribution of medals among top 10 players. Okay, for this purpose I will need I will be need a column chart. Okay, column chart. So by top 10 players, so for players we select name to x-axis and medals to like y-axis. Okay, let's get into the focus mode, and then okay, let's uh, there are huge amount of data like players, so I don't need them. I just need top 10 or top 20. So I'll change to the name have to be top like top 10, let's say top 10, and by top 10 names by medal. Okay, medal, then the medal will be count of medal. Let's apply the changes, and here is the thing I got. And now I want to show the visualization like one player, the how much medal one player get from each category. Okay, so now I'm gonna put the medal into legend, and okay, I think something is wrong. Oh, yeah, I need to unselect the not available and blank data. Okay, now this is looking good, and so go to the format tab to make some changes to format this. Okay, I want to turn on data labels. Yeah, data labels, and of course I want to change the colors. So to change the colors I go to uh, data labels. No, not here. Columns. Yeah. uh, for bronze medals I can select the bronze color. For gold medal, gold color, and the silver medal for the silver color. Okay. Hmm. The columns. Okay, now it looks perfect, I think. Let's change the title. What title we just did the distribution of medals. Okay, distribution of medals among 10 players. 10 players. Okay. uh, Ready, and this visualization is ready. Okay, let's work for the next visual. uh, for this purpose let's open a new page, and our next visualization uh, for our next visualization I want to show the count of medals by sports, or distribution of medals by sports. Okay, for this purpose I'll select tree map. Okay, so distribution of medals by sports, right? So I sports to category and medals to values, right? So from here, same again, I don't want the all of them. I just want top 20. Let's say top 20 for trimmer for top 20 sports. mm, Top 20 sports by medal, count of medal. Okay, right, it's done. And now change the color. Okay, there is a lot of, I have to do a lot of changes, but this is not may not be possible by doing by manually. So I'll select advanced control, and here I will change the format style to gradient, and the theme color for lowest value I will select a bronze color, right? And the highest value I will select gold colors. Okay, then I will change the title by distribution of medals by sports distribution of medals by sports. Okay. Now our next task is we are going to show distribution of medals by season and country, right? Okay, for this purpose let's choose a bar chart, and for season and country, right? Distribution of medals by season and country. So season in y-axis, let's choose season in y-axis, and then country in uh, medals in x-axis. This is the count of medals by season. Okay, but we want the count of medals by season and by country. So to do that, I will drag country to legend. Okay, so select top 5 country among them, and select top 5 country by value of count of medal, right? Count of medal. Okay, okay, here is the thing. And now change the color. Color, change the color. Okay, for France I will give dark bronze and light bronze, and for Russia I will give silver, and for UK and for US I will give gold. Okay, okay, so we can give a title here, that the distribution of medals by season, and let's capitalize the first letter of the word, and season and like country. Okay, it's done. Okay, okay, we have completed our 5 visualizations till now. Our next task is to show the count of medals by age. Okay, count of medals by age. For this purpose, let's let's select ribbon chart. then go to the focus mode and select name to x-axis and count of medal, right, to y-axis. Count of, but we don't want to see the name by count of medal. We want to see the count of medals by ages, right? So we should select the age to x-axis, and here we can see the age is 23 age to 97. And in between there is something uh, unexpected thing is occurring, so let's solve this. I think, okay, we let's sort this by age. Okay, now here is the actual thing we get. uh, Minimum age is 10 and maximum we get like 97 plus. Okay, uh, but to get the core visualization or core data, we don't need all of them. We just need to like 13 age to 45 age, right? Rest of them are useless for our visualization, so let's uh, make the changes to have only 13 to 45 ages. Let's unselect blank, and here 40 45 to rest of them remove from this chart. mm, More and more. 80, 81, 84, 88, 96. Okay, now it is looking more in clean format, right? Okay, okay, unselect 10, 11, 12. Right, perfect. Now uh, we what we have done, we have select count of medal by age. Okay, mm, if we drag this to legend, unselect not available data, and let's change the title, right? We need to change the title. Let's give a title count of age, count of count of medals, count of medals by age, count of medals by age. Okay, okay. Okay, our last visualization is count of name by year and gender. Count of name by year and gender, we will be showing it by line chart. So select a line chart and go to focus mode, and then count of name by year. Mm, so we should drag year to x-axis and gender to y-axis, right? Okay, no, we want to show the count of name, or count of name, I mean the count, the number of people or the number of participant. Okay, the count of name here in y-axis, and we want to add another feature called gender. Okay, so that we can differentiate the between male and female, between male and female, and this is the thing we get ultimately. Female is less than the men, the number of female is lower than male. Okay. Mm, uh, so let's change the title. Give it a name, that count of name by year and gender. Okay, it's already have the name, so it's perfect. Okay, our visualization of 7 visualization different is done, 7 different visualizations. Now it's time to make a report, right? To merge all of them, all of these visualizations, and ultimately we get a report. Okay, let's do that. We have missed one thing. We need to add cards. We need to add cards like uh, first card. We want to see the, like, what is called sport. Okay, number of sports, different sports. mm, for this purpose, want to, let's say, count. mm, so this is count of sport, right? But this is like there are so many redundant data, because the count of sport, we want only the distinct count of sports, so let's select distinct. So there are 67 distinct sports that have played in every Olympics, right? Okay, then add number of medals. Yeah, number of medals earned. Number of medals earned. So count. Let's select count, and uh, so here is another card. Now we want to see the number of participants, total number of participants. Okay, so let's count total number of participants. So here is something messed up in these two of these, I think. So remove them and we'll make it again. Now let's select a card, and then, okay, now I want to show the number of countries, different countries that have been participated, like for this country, count of countries, count of distinct countries, mm, gender, okay, mm, um, right, we delete all not available information, and then the country, count of country reduces to 136 from 200 plus, right? 207. Okay. Okay, right. then count of sports, count of country. um, okay, let's arrange the merge all of the visualizations and make a report here. mm, okay, copy paste, copy and paste them to the report page. mm, okay. Okay, now add filters, count of sport and count of country. Let's give it suitable title, country participated, and align them center. Call categorical level, turn off this, and also turn off this, and give a title to number of sports or sports, count of sports. Okay, let's increase the font size to 19, also here to 19. Okay, okay. Let's give a title to this visualization, and for this insert a shape like this rectangle. Style, go to, I want to see the color from blue to gold, and text, I want to write Olympics Dataset Analysis, and the color will be black, text color, and okay, and increase the size to 19. Awesome. You can change the font type from here, and We can add one more card, like count of medals, right? Count of medals, like, okay. Let's rename it to count of medals, okay. And from visual categorical level of, and increase the text size, like title and text size to 19, and align to center, okay. Now here is the our complete data set that we have just analyzed, and we have we have brought out 7 visualizations from this data set. So thank you guys for watching this video.